on! Why do some people handle this so well and others struggle?
Great question. Some people handle money calmly, while others overspend, because their brains are wired differently through habits and training. And, underneath the surface, dopamine circuits, the amygdala, and the prefrontal cortex compete for control every time you see something you want. So, if you understand this brain battle, you can train your mind to thrive in the AI age instead of being controlled by impulses, so stay with me.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. The core skill behind overspending is impulse control, which means pausing long enough for your wise brain to speak before your emotional brain reacts. 2. In an AI-driven world where ads are personalized and technology predicts what you will click, self-regulation becomes a powerful future skill. 3. People who handle money well are not lucky, they have trained leadership inside their own brain, and that leadership grows with practice.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. Number 1, dopamine circuits fire when you see a sale or reward, creating excitement that pushes you toward quick action. Number 2, the amygdala reacts to fear of missing out, while the prefrontal cortex acts like a wise coach that can slow the moment and help you choose long-term benefit. Number 3, the hippocampus stores spending memories, and through neuroplasticity and changes in the default mode network, repeated small pauses strengthen self-control pathways.
How does this show up in real life?
Great question. 1. At school, you might rush to spend allowance on trends instead of saving for something meaningful, because the reward system feels louder than logic. 2. In friendships and stress, comparison or boredom can trigger spending as emotional relief, especially when technology makes buying instant. 3. In future careers like AI engineer, doctor, psychiatrist, designer, policymaker, or entrepreneur, poor impulse control can damage decisions, while strong regulation builds trust and long-term success.
So, small equals big?
1. Every small pause before spending is like adding one line of clean code into your brain's program. 2. Those repeated pauses strengthen neural pathways like building a muscle or rolling a snowball that grows larger with each turn. 3. Over time, that wiring becomes disciplined character, and disciplined character becomes career strength in an AI-powered economy.
So, how do I start?
Step 1. Create a thinking pause by asking, do I need this, or do I just want this right now? And picture your prefrontal cortex lighting up like a control center. Step 2. Notice the feeling of urgency in your body, and imagine your amygdala cooling down like a dimming alarm. Step 3. Practice a daily habit of waiting 24 hours before non-essential purchases, and remember the hook, pause today, power tomorrow.
What should we do today?
1. Pick one thing you plan to buy and delay it for one day. 2. Write down how you felt during the delay, and share that reflection with a parent or trusted adult to strengthen your learning. 3. Repeat this micro habit for a week, and observe how your confidence and clarity grow stronger than your impulse. Remember, overspending is not a character flaw, it is a brain pattern that can be retrained. Each small pause strengthens your neural circuits and builds real self-leadership. In the AI age, the person who masters impulse will master opportunity. If this sparked curiosity, share this video with someone you care about. Learning grows stronger together.
See you in the next episode.